Southern Africa Development Community SADC group of ambassadors has reaffirmed Nigeria's importance as a partner in promoting regional integration, peace and socio-economic development across Africa. This was disclosed during the commemoration of the SADC Day held in Abuja. Our correspondent brings us more details.
The celebration showcased cultural displays and cuisines from Southern Africa, highlighting the bloc's rich diversity while strengthening ties with Nigeria. The event brought together members of the diplomatic corps, Nigerian government representatives, development partners and invited guests to mark the annual Southern African Development Community Day. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, represented by Noyelum Afokelum, reiterated that Nigeria remains committed to this partnership, stressing that collaboration with the Bloc will continue to enhance growth and mutual progress.
Nigeria, as a proud member of African Union and a steadfast partner in Pan-African cooperation, recognizes and applauds the vital role SADC countries play in advancing our shared continental aspiration, guided by Agenda 2063, the Africa we want. The achievements of SADC in areas such as trade, infrastructure, education, peacekeeping are testament to what Africa can achieve through unity of purpose and strength in diversity. We also reaffirm our shared responsibilities to foster deeper collaboration between SADC countries, West Africa, and across the broader African continent.
SADC ambassadors highlighted the Bloc's strides in fostering regional cooperation and underscored Nigeria's strategic role in advancing African unity, particularly through its contributions to peacekeeping economic collaborations.
SADC has since expanded its objectives to include political and security cooperation as well as socio-economic development. SADC has also been working towards the establishment of a free trade area, promoting infrastructure development and addressing issues like food security and environmental sustainability. SADC is now working on modalities for free movement of people within the region. Nigeria trained our freedom fighters, offered scholarship to Southern African region students, and gave direct support to countries like Zambia and Tanzania that were under economic strain due to the stance against apartheid. It also used its oil resources to economically push apartheid South Africa, refusing trade and advocating for global sanctions. Through these efforts, Nigeria emerged as a major Pan-African force and they committed early in the dismantling of apartheid and colonial rule in the Southern African region. SADC will always be grateful to Nigeria and its people for sacrificing themselves to liberate their brothers and sisters.
Ambassadors from Southern Africa also shared insights on strengthening cooperation in various sectors, including trade, culture.
That as they prioritize engagement and discussion among countries and SADC, they should also prioritize linking media organizations both in SADC country and with Nigeria. And I'd like to call on SADC members that whatever we do in positioning our own countries, continents and regions, we must prioritize media organization. Because in the 21st century, we're in the age of noise, misinformation, disinformation, and sometimes outright lies. Others are busy telling their own story. We must not allow others to shape our narrative as a continent, as countries.
The gathering reinforced the shared vision of building stronger ties among African nations for sustainable development, peace, and regional integration.